are 100 basic English sentences. Listen and practice every day. 1. The sun is shining today. 2. I like to drink coffee in the morning. 3. She is studying for her exams. 4. We went to the beach last weekend. 5. My dog loves to play fetch. 6. Can you pass me the salt, please? 7. I enjoy listening to music. 8. They are going on a vacation next month. 9. He is a talented musician. 10. The cat is sleeping on the couch. 11. We had a delicious dinner at the restaurant. 12. She enjoys reading books in her free time. 13. I need to buy groceries at the store. 14. They watched a movie at the cinema. 15. He plays soccer every Saturday. 16. The flowers are blooming in the garden. 17. We visited the museum yesterday. 18. She is wearing a beautiful dress. 19. He likes to go jogging in the park. 20. Can you help me with this math problem? 21. They are planning a surprise party for their friend. 22. I prefer tea over coffee. 23. She plays the piano very well. 24. We had a great time at the concert. 25. He is learning to speak Spanish. 26. The book I'm reading is very interesting. 27. They are going to the zoo tomorrow. 28. I need to clean my room today. 29. She enjoys cooking and trying new recipes. 30. We had a long and tiring day at work. 31. He likes to watch sports on TV. 32. The baby is sleeping peacefully. 33. Can you please turn off the lights? 34. She is studying to become a doctor. 35. We are going to visit our grandparents this weekend. 36. He plays the guitar in a band. 37. The rain is falling outside. 38. I need to buy a new pair of shoes. 39. She likes to take long walks in the park. 40. We went swimming in the pool. 41. He is good at solving puzzles. 42. The movie starts at p.m. 43. She enjoys painting and drawing. 44. We had a delicious breakfast this morning. 45. He is studying hard for the upcoming exam. 46. The dog is barking loudly. 47. Can you please open the window? 48. She loves to dance and perform. 49. We had a fun day at the amusement park. 50. He is wearing a blue shirt today. 51. The birds are chirping in the trees. 52. I need to buy a birthday gift for my friend. 53. She enjoys hiking in the mountains. 54. We watched a beautiful sunset on the beach. 55. He likes to play video games in his free time. 56. The train arrived on time. 57. I have a dentist appointment tomorrow. 58. She is practicing yoga to stay fit. 59. We had a family gathering over the weekend. 60. He enjoys taking photographs of nature. 61. The alarm clock woke me up early. 62. Can you please pass me the remote control? 63. She is organizing a charity event. 64. We went camping in the woods. 65. He likes to ride his bike in the park. 66. The sky is clear and full of stars. 67. I need to send an email to my boss. 68. They plant flowers in the garden. 69. We had a picnic in the park. 70. He is good at playing chess. 71. The coffee is too hot to drink. 72. I need to catch the bus to get to work. 73. She loves to sing and perform on stage. 74. We visited a famous landmark while on vacation. 75. He likes to play basketball with his friends. 76. The moon is shining brightly tonight. 77. I need to buy some groceries for dinner. 78. She is training for a marathon. 79. We had a family movie night at home. 80. He enjoys watching documentaries on TV. 81. The baby is learning to crawl. 82. Can you please help me carry these bags? 83. She is working on a science project. 84. We went on a road trip to the mountains. 85. He likes to swim in the ocean. 86. The thunderstorm scared the dog. 87. I have a doctor's appointment next week. 88. She enjoys practicing meditation and mindfulness. 89. We had a barbecue in the backyard. 90. He is learning to play the drums. 91. The coffee shop is always busy in the morning. 92. I need to make a reservation at the restaurant. 93. She loves to go shopping with her friends. 94. We visited a famous museum in the city. 95. He likes to go for long drives in the countryside. 96. The flowers smell sweet and fragrant. 97. I need to write a report for work. 98. She enjoys swimming in the pool. 99. We had a great time at the theme park. 100. He is studying history in school.